Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect to your iPhone via Bluetooth on iPhone Air. So if you want to connect something via Bluetooth, then you need to know how to put your device into pairing mode, and different devices will be put differently. I will use, for instance, these headphones. These are QCY MeloBuds Pro, and in order to put them in pairing mode, all I need to do is take them out of the case, and they are now in pairing mode. So this is how it works. Now, for AirPods, because there's a high chance you are using AirPods if you have an iPhone, it will be opening the lid. Then on the back there is a button that you need to press and hold. And it'll put in pairing mode once you hear a little chime and white light starts blinking. If you have AirPods 4, they actually don't have a button. So in that case, you need to open them and tap on the front twice, like that, and it'll put them in pairing mode. For other headphones, you just need to know how to put your headphones in pairing mode. There's a high chance that watching a video on our channel on those headphones that you're trying to connect will help you, because there are like different headphones and lots of them have been recorded on our channel. Now you should just go to settings on your iPhone, then go to Bluetooth, make sure it's enabled, and now put your headphones or any other device that supports Bluetooth connection into pairing mode. So as I said, these are connected this way, and you can see they have appeared on the list and now they are connected. So this is how it works. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.